Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it is Rainbow Runner, and here we are. Today is May 25th of 2023. Green signal there. We have an outbound coming our way. We are here in Mesa at Southern Avenue, or Southern, as I like to call it when I was really little. Yeah, another Railfanning video for you guys today. I think since the last time I filmed at Southern Avenue, they established no train horn zones through here, which I guess is a bit of a double-edged sword in my situation with making a Railfanning video. I guess it's good so that I can, clearly call out the locomotive numbers without the train horn obscuring it. But at the other time, it's good to hear the train horns, and it's also a nice warning for, for traffic and pedestrians. And oh yeah, and up there is where that pedestrian crossing is. But yeah, in just a few moments we will have the gates here at Southern Avenue activate, and we have a wave of traffic right here. There's also the lights that goes into the Skateland parking lot, which is where I parked. Okay, that car is going to make it. I actually got to wonder if the lights are turning red in conjunction with the. Okay, that truck made it through. That car should have stopped technically, but. There it is. Hello. There, I was waving to the. Seven 5949. Looks like a fairly long train. So this train is gradually picking up speed as it's going around the curve at Baseline Road, and then heading southeast past McQueen in towards downtown Gilbert and all that jazz. got several tank cars right there. We have 5 hopper cars in a row right there. Or maybe 6. Yeah, technically 6. Open door on that box car right there. Okay, the end of the train is coming up. It looks like there's a long streak of hopper cars that will mark the end of the train. All right, and that's the last car right there. It's time to watch the gates rise. All right. So that does it for the train right there. Up there, again, right over there was where that pedestrian crossing is, where I filmed that before. And I guess also up there was where Broadway Road was, where I saw that one train derailed a few years ago, back in 2019. Okay, so I'm looking down to the south. Yeah, you have that red signal right there. I don't know if you can, I guess you can kind of see it. There's actually a siding where there are several cars parked. I guess I will wait for just a minute to watch the last car disappear around the corner. And looking straight down, you can kind of see also the Chandler local line. I think I was able to see the Chandler local locomotives parked. Okay, real fast. You should not be stopped on the tracks, buddy. Yeah, again, please do not stop on the tracks, no matter what. Like, if you're not confident you can clear the crossing, just do not attempt to cross the tracks. Just, okay, but I think at this point, the end of the train has disappeared around the corner. Again, red signal. And yeah, right there is Skateland. But yeah, just wanted to make a special video, another episode of Railfanning. And actually today's kind of a special day. Today is May 25th. 46 years ago today was when the very first Star Wars film came out, what we now know as Episode 4, A New Hope. But today specifically also marks the 40th anniversary of Return of the Jedi, which is my favorite Star Wars film. And yeah, just it's such a great movie. I actually saw Return of the Jedi in theaters when they did its limited 40th anniversary theatrical run. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, just thought I'd share some interesting stuff that's been going on. But yeah, coming to the end of May, June is coming up pretty soon. I hope to get more videos out for you guys. All right, thank you all for watching, and Rainbow Runner will be heading out. See you later.